It's like, what's your name knows it? It's a Newfoundland bird. You know the girl that's inside, Laura? She knows what it is. She goes, yeah, they have it in Newfoundland. They do it all the time. You know what I mean? When they have kids, when they have babies, and you go near the nest, they're aggressive. Here, videotape me. Videotape it fucking attacking me, man. It's on right now. It's playing. It's videotape. Here you go. Is that fucking wild or what? Huh? Oh crap, was it videotaping?